In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a censor or blur effect in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you want to hide sensitive information, blur out a face, censor part of your screen recording, or simply create a privacy effect in your video, Clipchamp makes it simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along in real time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy video editing guides just like this. All right, let's jump straight in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the censor effect. Once your project is open, make sure your video is already placed on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is important because we'll be editing a specific section of that clip. Next, move your play cursor, also known as the playhead, to the exact point where you want the blur or censor effect to begin. You can drag the playhead along the timeline or press play and pause at the right moment. Take your time here and position it precisely because this determines where the effect will start. Once the playhead is in the correct position, click on the split button. This will cut your video into two separate parts at that exact location. Now, move the playhead again to where you want the blur effect to end, and click split one more time if needed. This allows you to isolate only the section of the video that needs to be censored. After splitting, click on the specific part of the video that you want to blur. Make sure it's highlighted on the timeline so you know you're editing the correct segment. Now, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see different editing options appear once your clip is selected. Click on Effects in that sidebar. This is where Clipchamp stores its visual effects that you can apply to your video. Inside the Effects panel, find and click on the Blur effect. As soon as you select it, you'll notice the chosen clip becomes blurred in the preview window. To customize the censor effect, adjust the Blur Intensity slider. Drag the slider left or right depending on how strong you want the blur to be. If you're censoring sensitive information, like phone numbers, addresses, or private messages, you may want a stronger blur. If you're just softening a background detail, a lighter blur might look more natural. Adjust it until you're satisfied with how it looks in the preview. And that's it. You've successfully added a censor or blur effect in Clipchamp. If you play back your timeline now, you'll see that only the selected portion of the video is blurred, while the rest remains unchanged. This method works perfectly for censoring specific moments without affecting your entire clip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clipchamp tutorials and simple video editing tips. I post easy-to-follow guides to help you edit faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.